Is it from La Tuth or Inna Asha?
Okay, let's start from here. فَالْيَوْمَ.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فاليوم لا تظلم نفس شيئا ولا تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون.
One more ayah.
Okay. أعوذ بالله بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن أصحاب الجنة اليوم في شغل فاكهون.
Okay, next. Kamil.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
هم هم وأزواجهم في ظلال على الأرائك متكئون
One more ayah.
لهم فيها فاكهة ولهم ما ي- يدعون.
Okay, very good. Next.
Salam Qawlam min Rabbihir Rahim.
Now you know very well what is ikfa, what is the
Oh,
dhamma, right? So it's stretch proper.
Qawlam min Rabbihir Rahim.
Mir,
Bear,
mir,
Rab, Bear, Rahim.
mir, rabbir.
Min Rabbir Rahim.
Next.
Wamnazal
Ram, Wamtazul
Yawma ayyuhal mujrimun.
Sarah.
She
What, Farah?
Sorry, I thought she was gone from her computer. She said she would be back, but she's
Okay.
back. Sorry.
Okay, Sarah.
ألم أعهد إليكم يا بني آدم ألا تعبدوا الشيطان إنه لكم عدو 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 مبين
Aduvam mubin. Stretch proper.
عدو مبين.
Shamil. 2 words.
Okay. وأنعبدوني هذا صراط مستقيم ولقد أضل منكم
Adalla.
أضل منكم جبيرا قصيرا
Jibilla.
جبيرا قصيرا
Jibilla kathira.
جبيرا قصيرا أفلم تكونوا تعقلون.
Okay. Farah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. هذه جهنم التي كنتم توعدون اصلوها اليوم بما كنتم تكفرون.
Okay, Kamil.
اليوم نختم على أفواههم وتكلمنا أيديهم أرج-
Watashhadu.
وتشهد أرجلهم بما كانوا يكسبون.
Next.
ولو نشاء لطمسنا على عيونهم
A'yunihim.
أعينهم فاستبقوا الصراط
صراط
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 صراط فأنا يبصرون
من مرايا
ولو نشاء
ولو
لمسخناهم
نشاء
ولو نشاء لمسخناهم على مكانتهم فما استطاعوا سيا ولا يرجعون.
Okay. Sarah
ومن نوع نوع و- ومن 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 نعم نعمره هن
نعمره
نعمره ن- نون نون ننكسه في ال في الج في الخل في الخل في
في
الخلق
القلق
بالخلق في الخلق أفلا يعقلون.
Okay, good. شامل
وما علمناه الشعر وما ينبغي له إن هو
إلا تجديد
إلا ذكر وقرآن مبين.
very good. Okay, Farah.
From Lyon, right? Or
Yeah.
okay. One eye or two?
One.
Okay, I'll show you بس ثواني. لينذر من كان حيا ويحق القول على الكافرين. And Anisa is here.
Okay, next is Kamil.
أو أولم يروا أنا خلقنا لهم مما عملت أيدينا أنعاما فهم لها مالكون.
Okay, next. Rania.
وذللناها لهم فمن
Tajdeed. So pay attention on tajdeed, okay? So Kamil, you are doing the same mistake for tajdeed. And Shamil, same mistake when you are reading tajdeed, and Rania. Hold the letter when you are reading tajdeed, okay?
وذللناها لهم
Aha. Equal balance, okay? How long you are stretching noon, the same you will stretch alif, okay? Alif madda.
Okay. ناها لهم فمنها ركوبهم ومنها يأكلون.
Okay. Who is next? Sarah. Vanaya.
ولهم فيها ونافع
Masharib.
وشارب أفلا يشكرون.
Good job. Okay. Yes, Kamil. Shamil.
Me?
Yeah, I think it's your
Oh.
turn.
واتخذوا من دون الله من دون الله آلهة لعلهم ينصرون.
Ikhfa.
ينصرون.
One more ayah because this is the last ayah.
لا يستطيعون نشرهم وهم لهم نجد مهردون
جندم.
جند محضرون.
Okay, good job. So let's start the lesson from here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. فلا يحزنك قولهم.
فلا يحزنك قولهم.
Okay, Kamil, Shamil, Sarah, and Rania. I want to hear the voice from all of you, okay? إنا نعلم
إنا
إنا
نعلم
نعلم
ما يسرون وما يعلنون.
ما
ما يسرون وما يعلنون.
So over here, Noon has a sakin sign. So the next letter is Ka. What rule is it? This one.
إخفاء.
Iqfa. Very good. So I want answers from all of you. Okay. So I will read one ayah and I will ask you to explain the rules. Okay. So be careful and focus when you are reading all the ayats. Okay. أولم ير الإنسان
أولم
أولم ير الإنسان
أنا خلقناه
أنا خلقناه
من نطفة فإذا
من نطفة فإذا
هو خصيم مبين.
هو قصير
هو خصيم مبين.
So Noon has a sakin sign and next letter is seen. What rule is this?
إخفاء.
Okay, Tanween and next letter is Fa.
إخفاء.
Okay, yeah. So where are the other voices? Okay, so Tanween on Meme and next letter is Meme.
ميم مشدد. إدغام.
Idgham. And yesterday we practiced either this idgham is with gunna or without gunna.
with غنة.
With gunna, because if idgham are of two types, right? Lam and ra, we do not do any kind of gunna, right? So this is not lam and this is not ra. Okay, when meme and any other four letter, ya, meme, lam, or noon. Okay, rest of the four letter you do with gunna. Okay, you stretch and merge. Okay, but for lam and ra, the gunna is the idgham is without gunna. Okay, so you will give me complete answer. If it's idgham, you will tell me idgham with gunna or idgham without gunna. Okay. وضرب لنا
وضرب لنا
مثلا ونسي خلقه
مثلا ونسي خلقه.
قال من يحيي العظام
قال من يحيي العظام
وهي رميم.
وهي رميم.
Okay, so quickly answer me this tanween and wow. What rule is this?
إدغام.
Idgham. Which type of idgham? Idgham.
Wait, which letter?
Tanween and wow. Idgham.
Isn't that okay?
Sarah, Rania, Shamil.
Yes, idgham.
Yeah, it's idgham, but what kind of idgham? With gunna or without gunna?
With gunna.
With gunna, because it's not lam and ra. For lam and ra, you will answer me that this is idgham but without gunna. Okay, only for lam and ra. Keep this in mind. Noon sakin and next letter is ya. What rule is this? Simple. You're Maloon, right? Ya, ra, mim,
إدغام.
lam, waw, noon. It's ya. What rule
إدغام.
is this?
Idgham.
Idgham. Which idgham?
Gunna.
with gunna. So give me a complete answer. Idgham with gunna. Okay. So you know the easy trick to figure out for tanween and noon sakin. What is the next letter? Is it from throat letter? If it's throat letter, izhar. If it's idgham letter, idgham. If it's not a throat letter, not a idgham letter, it must be ikhfa. Okay, simple. So first, try to teach your brain that okay. First we have to check throat letter. Secondly, we will check your maloon letter. If not from these two categories, of course it will be ikhfa. Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم قل يحييها قل يحييها الذي
قل
قل
يحييها
يحييها
الذي
الذي
أنشأها
أنشأها
أول مرة
أول مرة
وهو بكل خلق عليم.
وهو بكل خلق عليم.
Noon sakin and next letter is sheen. What is this?
إخفاء.
This is ikhfa. Very good. I want all of you to try, right? If you will try, then maybe it's wrong. No worries. Like next time it will be fixed, okay? So try. Tanween and next letter is ayn. What rule is this?
إظهار.
This is izhar because throat letter is coming. So you will say this is izhar. We will not stretch here. Qalqin alim. Okay? الذي جعل لكم من الشجر
الذي جعل لكم من
شجر الأخضر
شجر الأخضر
نارا فإذا أنتم منه توقدون
نارا فإذا أنتم منه توقدون.
Tanween and next letter is fa. What rule is this?
إدغام.
No. Ya,
Oh wait, no,
mim,
it's
lam, ra, nun.
is
Fa is not in
إخفاء.
idgham letter. What is this? Ikhfa. Good. Okay, noon sakin and next letter is ta.
إخفاء.
Ikhfa. Very good. Mim sakin and mim mushaddad. You know that whenever mim comes with sakin sign and next letter is either mim or no or ba. So you stretch. Okay. Noon has a sakin sign and next letter is ha. What rule is this?
إخفاء, no stretch.
Is it ikhfa?
Or إظهار, or it's إظهار.
Izhar because ha is a throat letter, right? So throat letter first category, idgham second category, ikhfa third category. So go one by one in each category to figure out like okay which category is this one. Ha is throat letter, okay? So it's first category, izhar, okay? Then if it's not from the first category, go in the second, idgham, check ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, nun. And if it's not from that category, it must be ikhfa, okay? أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم أوليس الذي خلق السماوات والأرض
وليس الذي خلق السماوات والأرض.
So Sarah, where is your voice, Rania? And otherwise I'll take Farah in the breakout room and I only teach her, right? If you guys don't want to read, or I can send all of you in the breakout room to practice your lesson if you already knew this. Shamil and Kamil, it's for you too. If you already knew, just let me know. Like I can send you in a breakout room to practice and go. أوليس الذي خلق السماوات والأرض
أليس الذي خلق السماوات والأرض
بقادر على أن يخلق مثلهم
قدير على أن يخلق مثلهم
مثلهم.
Okay, so we will check the ayah and I figured out one tanween here. Okay, so tanween and next letter is ayn. What rule is this?
Is hard.
Izhar. Very good. First category because this is throat letter. Noon sakin and next letter is ya. Which category is this one?
إدغام with غنة.
Idgham with gunna because it's ya. It's not lam. It's not ra. Okay, so you will check it. Is it throat letter? You said no. It's not from first category because it's not a throat letter. Then go back on the second category. It's ya. Yes, it's idgham. Okay. Then you will at the same time decide if is it lam and ra or any other four letters. Okay, so it's with gunna. Very good. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. إنما أمره إذا أراد شيئا أن يقول له كن فيكون.
إنما أمره إذا أراد شيئا أن يقول له كن فيكون.
Okay, let's check this ayah. Tanween. Okay, and next letter is Hamza.
Is hard.
Izhar. Okay, Hamza is a throat letter. Okay, so its first category is Izhar. Okay, then Noon has a second sign, and next letter is Ya. What rule is it?
إدغام with غنة.
Idgham with Gunna. Very good. Noon second, and next letter is Fa.
إخفاء.
Ikhfa, because it's Fa is not a throat letter, Fa is not a Idgham letter, so it must be Ikhfa. Okay, very good. فسبحان الذي بيده ملكوت
فسبحان الذي بيده ملكوت
كل شيء وإليه ترجعون.
كل شيء إليه ترجعون.
Sadaqallahu al-Azim. So, Alhamdulillah, we finished here Surah Yaseen. And as I said, Surah Yasin is the heart of Quran, and it is, make it habit to recite, in the morning, like Surah Yasin, Surah Rahman, Surah Waqiah. Okay, so these are very important surahs. Make it habit. The five surahs are very, very important. Okay, and other than that, Surah Kahf, Surah, Dukhan, and as I said, if if get chance, a Surah Juma as well. So make it habit to recite those on Fridays and these every single day. Surah Yasin, Surah Rahman is called the bride of the Quran. Okay, that surah is called the bride of the Quran. Surah Yasin is called the heart of the Quran. Okay, and Surah Waqiah, it is recommended to recite Surah Waqiah after Maghrib time. So inshallah, that person will be never ever left over for any kind of risk from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, any kind of thing from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So make it habit to recite this inshallah. And how many lines are left? Okay, 3 lines are left. So we will finish these 3 lines. Surah Swafa, just give me a second, let me grab my charger quickly, and then we will. Okay. Surah As-Saffat Makkiyah.
سورة الصافات مكية.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
والصافات صفا.
والصافات صفا.
فالزاجرات زجرا.
فالزاجرات زجرا.
فالتاليات ذكرا.
فالتاليات ذكرا.
إن إلهكم لواحد.
إن إلهكم لواحد
رب السماوات والأرض
رب السماوات والأرض
وما بينهما ورب المشارق
وما بينهما ورب المشارق
إنا زينا السماء الدنيا
إنا زينا
السماء
السماء الدنيا
بزينة الكواكب
بزينة الكواكب
كواكب
وحفظا من كل شيطان مارد
وحفظا من كل شيطان مارد.
So let's continue and we will stop at ayat number 10. Okay, inshallah. We will continue. لا يسمعون
لا يسمعون
إلا الملأ الأعلى إلى الملأ الأعلى
إلى الملأ الأعلى
ويقذفون من كل جانب
ويقذفون من كل جانب
دهورا ولهم عذاب واصب
دحورا ولهم عذاب واصب
إلا من خطف الخطفة
إلا ما خطئ
خطف
No,
الخطفة
wait. This is izhar, okay? It's third letter, so you will not stretch here. إلا من خطف الخطفة
إلا
إلا
من
من
خطئ
خطف الخطفة
فأتبعه شهاب ثاقب
فأتبعه
فأتبعه شهاب ثاقب.
So ayat number 10 till ayat number 10 is your lesson, but I'm gonna take test of Surah Yaseen. Tomorrow is Thursday, right? So I cannot take test on tomorrow. So what day you will be available, Farah? Monday, Tuesday? Wednesday?
I won't be available next Monday. Next week. I'll be available Wednesday.
You will be here on Wednesday, right?
Yeah, I have class next Monday.
Okay, so inshallah, I'm gonna take test of Surah Yasin on Wednesday, okay? So inshallah, keep practice because this is very important surah. So I just want to make sure like you all are reading, this without any mistake, okay? So inshallah, practice this surah and Wednesday will be your test, okay? Different moods, okay? So all basically hard, okay? So it changes like hard, like one thing into another, okay? The literal meaning of the word, okay? If after noon sakin or tanween, the same thing which you are reading, tanween or noon sakin, tanween and noon sakin, and you see a letter ba appears, then that noon sakin or tanween will change into a meme sakin. Whenever it's a tajweed rule, whenever you will see tanween sign, either tanween sign or noon sakin, and the next letter is ba, okay? So you will see a small meme before that. You can see this example. Let me make it a little bigger for you. See here, noon sakin and next letter is ba. So what they are saying, they change, okay? What they change? Then that the noon sakin and tanween will change into meme sakin. So they put a small meme sakin on the top and it will be recited with gunna, okay? So you will read this noon sakin with gunna. It's very simple. You normally read in Quran, but I'm just explaining this, okay? So noon sakin, tanween with double fatha, double kasra, and double dhamma. So there are few examples. Quickly read one by one. So Farah, you read two words.
ويؤمن بالله أبدا.
1 minute. Noon sakin and ba. So you will stop and you will merge this noon sakin sound into mim. Yu'mim billah. Okay. And second.
Okay. أبدا بما.
Very good. And who is next? Rania, Kamil. Two words.
Okay. كل امرئ بما um و is that
Sami.
وميء
Yeah,
أو
Samia.
ميء بصير
سميع بصير.
سميع
Stretch.
بصير
Okay. For Rania.
من بعد
No, where is
ذلك
your stretch? You are learning stretch here, right? When you will see a small meme, you will do a stretch. This stretch name is Qalb. Okay, so do Qalb here.
من بعد ذلك
Okay, one more example.
ذرية
ذرية بعدها.
ذرية بعدها
Okay, good. Sarah,
Which one?
this one.
Okay. For Purush Purushim
Furushim.
Purushim Batwala
No. Batwa'inuha.
Batwa Iluha
Inuha nun.
Nunu Ni
Furushim batwa'inuha.
Purushim Batwa
Inuha.
Inuha
Okay, next. One more word, Sarah.
Ayatum
Stretch it because of this meme.
Ayatum Bayina
Ayatum bayyinat.
Ayatum Bayinat
Okay, Shamil, 2 words.
Okay, which two? Alright. Ya Allah.
How?
قولا بليغا.
Okay, who's left? Anisa, you want to give a try?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yo Yawma
Yawma idhim.
Yawma What's the next one next to meme?
Idhim bi jahannam.
Yawma izim bi jahannam
Okay, so Farah, last one.
والله عليم بالمتقين.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. So now focus on all the qalb examples here. You are watching this meme sakin and next letter is, sorry, you are watching this noon sakin and next letter is ba. Basically, the rule is noon sakin or tanween, okay, and letter is ba, okay. So whenever you will see noon sakin and tanween, noon sakin or tanween, and the next letter is ba, so you put a small meme, and this rule is called qalb, and you stretch here, okay. You read this small meme with gunna. So look here, tanween and ba, so you put a small meme and you stretch and merge with gunna. Over here, tanween and ba with a small meme, okay. Yes, Farah.
Is Qalb the only rule that has the small meme?
Actual rule is tanween or noon sakin and next letter will be ba. So wherever you will see tanween and noon sakin, tanween or noon sakin and next letter will be ba, you will see a small meme there because they change the 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 tanween or noon sakin sound into meme. Okay, this is what
So
you are
if
reading in the in the definition. Look, this is what you are reading in the definition. The literal meaning of qalb is to change one thing into another, okay. So the
Okay.
meaning of qalb is actually changing one sound into another. So what sound you are changing? They are saying basically the rule is tanween and noon sakin and next letter will be ba, right? So what you are changing if there is tanween and noon sakin and next letter is ba? So basically you are changing the noon sound into meme. Tanween sound into meme. This tanween sound into meme. This tanween sound into meme. This noon sakin sound into meme. This tanween sound into meme. This tanween sound into this is small meme. This tanween sound you are changing into this is small meme. Is it clear?
Yeah, so just one more question. If I see a small meme, I know for sure it's Qalb, right?
Yeah, wherever you will see
Okay.
this small meme, you will say this is a gunna, but the category of this gunna is qalb, and this rule is
Oh,
called
okay.
qalb. Okay,
Okay,
because
okay, yeah.
you are learning over here different kind of stretches, right? First you learn
Right.
about izhar that we do not stretch. Then second you learn about idgham that okay idgham is also a stretch like everything is basically a stretch but you are learning what kind of a stretch is this one, what is the name of this stretch, and what is the qualities we will see in the word, we will decide okay this is stretch. Okay, so when you will see the category 2 is the category 2 is idgham, then you will decide either with gunna or without gunna. Then come back to the third category that okay if this word will come after tanween and noon sakin, then this will fall in the category of ikhfa. Now fourth thing you are learning, if tanween and noon sakin will be there, next letter will be ba, then you will always see a small meme. Why they are teaching you that you will see a small meme when you have too much? Sometime it could be a printing mistake in Quran. There are few places where in colored code in the Quran you will see there are few printing mistake as well. So if you know the rule properly, you can quickly figure out, okay, this is a printing mistake. And then I can see tanween here, I can see ba here, but there is no meme. So I can put meme by myself and I can read it correctly. Understand?
Yeah, Jazakallah.
Okay, inshallah. So inshallah, practice the qalb and keep the definition of qalb in the mind that we basically change one sound into other. We are basically changing the noon sound into meme. Either we are changing the tanween sound into meme. Okay, so this is the meaning of qalb. And qalb is also a kind of gunna. And the how you will decide this is gunna because you are watching the tanween or noon sakin and the next letter will be ba. Okay, so even though if you are not watching a small meme, you can put a small meme and you can read it by deciding it's a printing mistake. But it's not all over in the Quran, but sometime at some few places you will see idgham is not showing colors, iqlab is not showing. I never seen Quran that iqlab is not showing meme, but in some places I have seen like okay idgham is not showing with color for some reason. Okay, and sometimes what happened, it's a ayat circle and the ayat is ending and the new word is starting, and if you are not stopping and by somehow you are merging, so for merge the next letter is idgham, the last letter is tanween and next letter is idgham. So you have to decide for merging I have to apply the idgham rule here. So why you are learning all the rules, so you can correctly apply what rule it's coming over here. Okay. See, Anisa, you have any question?
Yes,
Yes.
but the one that I read, how after the meme, how was it Yoma Idem?
Because it's tanween and next letter is ba.
No, like the one before the Zal.
Before zal, where? You read this one, right?
Yeah.
And you read this tanween and this letter is ba. So the rule is tanween and next letter will be ba. Noon sakin and next letter will be ba. Wherever you will read, you will see either tanween. Look, these are all the examples of noon sakin. Okay, these are all the examples of double fatha. These are all the examples of double kasra, and these are all the examples of double dhamma. So you were basically reading double kasra example. It's double kasra, and next letter was ba. So they put a small meme for qalb in between. Clear?
Mhm.
Okay, inshallah. So I'm reading the dua Ryan is reading. So inshallah, I'm sending all of you in a breakout room. You can go and you can practice. And by the time you are practicing, and if you figure out any qalb in your lesson, so inshallah,